Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to log in into Foodpanda account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store. For this video, we'll be playing on the App Store, and you need to go and type in Foodpanda and download the application. So basically it's downloaded for me. Then you just need to go and open it. When you open it guys, this will appear here. So you'll have all of these options. It will look like you are already logged in, but you're not logged in at the moment, guys. What you need to do is go to account. And here you have ready to satisfy your cravings. You have the sign up or login option. You need to click on it. And here you'll always have, if you have an account or not have an account, you'll have an option like this to continue with Google, Facebook, Apple, email, or log in with your number. I made my account with email, so I'm going to go and type my email here. Then you just need to go and type your email. After typing your email, you just need to go and click on continue. You'll get a notification. You can send a link on your email then. I'll go on my email via my PC because it's much easier for me. Then you just need to go on your email, click on click on the email that you got. And then you'll have ready to access your Foodpanda account. You just need to go and click on login, and you will have verified that you can go and then log into your account. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.